Okay, so we're ready to continue to work on narratives. I'm in Storyboard 3. I've clicked here on our side-by-side, make sure the blue box has it highlighted, and then I'm going to go ahead and label it Storyboard 3. Within the description, there are two things you need to be sure to do. First is synchronize the clips, and we'll do that in 1 minute here, but make sure that's done. So are they synchronized? I'll show you how to do that in a second. We want to make sure that both players are shooting at the same time so we can compare their performance. The next thing you have to do in the narrative is write about two specific things you noticed when comparing these clips. So we'll watch it in a minute, but we are going to notice maybe that player 1 has a greater vertical reach in his shot than player 2 does. So I would know that because I'll watch the videos several times. So if I keep just pushing the play button, I'm noticing that the angle at the shoulder on the player on the left, he's reaching a little bit higher on his shot, whereas this guy's got a little bit more trajectory moving this direction. So that's what I chose to write about in my description. Those are two things that you need to do. Synchronize clips and address two specific things. So I've only listed one here. You need to have two noticeable differences when you compared the two players. Okay, so let's go back to the top part that says to synchronize the clips. So this, of course, this top box is the first clip and the bottom one is the second clip. So all I need to do to synchronize them is to move this arrow. So you can see I'm dragging the arrow and I'm looking to see, let's say, okay, the ball is leaving player 1's hand right there. So that's what I'm watching for right here. On player 2, I'm going to do the same thing, where I'm going to drag maybe this over a little bit. I'm looking to see, I'm in the wrong direction. Okay, there we go. So both players, the ball is leaving their hand right about there. So you just move the start or finish of the video until they're synchronized. Hit play. Play. And now both shooters are synchronized. So go back down to the bottom. Are the clips synchronized? Yes. Write about two specific things you notice when comparing these clips. I gave you one example. You'll write two of your own for your respective videos.